During scheduled or unscheduled equipment maintenance, it's best practice to inspect all the critical components, including bearings. If you find a bearing suspect to having a problem, it's cheaper and quicker to have them remanufactured and repaired before a failure happens. Unfortunately, some manufacturers or distributors don't have a trusted source for this service. But what if you had a trusted partner that you could depend on to help repair those critical components, saving you money and the headache? Well, I got a solution for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to BMC's bearing repair capabilities and the benefits that will help you keep your equipment running smoothly. Hi, I'm Ben Walls, the Operations and Production Manager here at BMC. I'm a third-generation bearing guy with over 20 years experience. Here at BMC, we specialize in bearing manufacturing, modification, and repair. We have a temperature-controlled shop that has over 75 pieces of precision machining and grinding equipment that allow us to handle bearings up to 18 foot in diameter. We work with all the major bearing manufacturers and distributors to modify and repair bearings to fit your specific application. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that not all bearings are a good fit to repair. To help determine if a bearing is a good fit, let's go over these 3 guidelines to see if it's a candidate for repair. The first guideline is that the bearing cannot be lifted by one person, meaning it's really heavy. The second guideline is that the bore of the bearing is larger than 12 inches. That means the bearing is bigger in diameter. And finally, the third guideline is that it's a specialty product or obsolete. It's important to note that these are just guidelines and that they are usable in most situations. In order to determine what level of repair your bearing will need, we always start with a complete bearing inspection. This will include a multiple-page report with details on each component of the bearing, along with photos and our recommendations. Before we dive into specifics, all of our bearing repair services start with the following: an unbox and unwrapping, a full disassembly, and a detailed inspection on each component with photos. The inspection will qualify your bearing for a certain class or level of repair, which are as follows. With a Class C or Level 1 repair, we are reapproving the bearing to be put back into service by measuring specific critical dimensions, such as the boundary dimensions, internal clearances, running accuracies, and bench end place. With a Class B or Level 2 repair, that includes everything in a Class C, plus polishing, tumbling, all ground surfaces, and rolling elements to minimize or remove high points, stress risers, staining, and etching. We will also sandblast, clean, or deburr the cages and separators. This level of repair comes with a warranty of workmanship. With a Class A or Level 3 repair, it includes everything in a Class B repair. Plus, we grind the roller tracks, the rolling elements, and we can replace the rolling elements if it's required to build back the bearing's original clearance. This level of remanufacturing comes with a 1-year warranty, and all repair material are 100% made in the USA. All bearings that undergo any of our repair levels also receive the following: 100% final quality control inspection to ensure that it meets all requirements, an electrochemical etching of the serial number so we can have traceability, and new packaging and preservation for short or long-term storage. Repairing bearings provides several benefits, including reduced cost, shortened lead times, and we offer no minimum order quantities. If you're interested in learning more about our bearing repair capability for your specific application, please request a quote by filling the form out on our website or giving us a call. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn.